So, how you make your decisions for your future self? What are the opportunities that you're getting right now? Do you think about them from the place where you are right now or the place where you want to go? Most people think from where they are right now, not the thing, not the place they want to go. And this is the basic difference between an entrepreneur and an employment set. Employees always think from the place where he is right now. What will be my salary after 1 year? How can I save tax? How can I make some more money? So these are the things he's always searching from, because he's at that position. He's in the present right now. He's thinking of that he's an employee, he's getting checks. So what are the things he can do right now? But this is not the solution. The solution is, like, you have to think from the place where you want to go in your life. If you talk about entrepreneurs, they don't think from where they are. Simply imagine Steve Jobs think that I have to do something, but I can't do it because I don't have any resources right now. Think of Elon Musk. What do he think before starting? If he thinks that he can't do that because he have limited number of resources out there, he will not be a successful person. So it is your responsibility to think beyond your imagination and the place where you want to go. Right? Steve Jobs always think from the perspective that I want to create an environment. I want to make a dent in the universe, something unique. So he's thinking from that position. That yes, I am making environment. I'm making an laptop. I'm making a certain OS, so that what needs to be done to reach there. This is how you will be a successful. Many people don't think like that, and that's why majority of the people lives in a life of mediocrity. They have don't they don't have any types of you can say thinking that can improve themselves. The reason behind is they don't think. They always think from the position they are right now, not the position where they want to go. From today onwards, whenever you take any decision in your life, it can be any type of decision. Don't think from your current situation. Think from your future perspective. What are the things that will impact if you take this decision? Right? I hope you will do in better in your life.